what's happening. I'm just falling apart right now. How my trading went today, how my TTO. I have no idea to figure out since I talked to you guys the other day how to do a trailing stop loss. I had like 1 hour 55 minutes of sleep. You guys know I work at Amazon. I just have so much going on. I got this note on my car that my tags were expired. My son called and texted me and said they were expired at work. Rent is due. Like, I'm like pretty low right now, but I'm extremely happy, grateful, and what's the worst that could happen is absolutely nothing. So I'm just gonna deal with one problem at a time. Just pay my property taxes that are late, and just got my new tags renewed for 2 years. I don't have to worry about that. Bought a new iPhone 14 Pro Max yesterday. Just picked up a budget case at 5 and Below. I need to get one off Amazon, but yeah, that's not even in the current budget. Shopping for my 17-year-old's car, which all of his car money, half of his car money is in TTOO. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do about this. I currently now have 5,000 something. I have about 4,500 in my main account, and I have about 722 in my margin account. I've just averaged down here and there, not knowing it was going to go this low. Let me see what else. Now, Alpha Stock Traders, I don't know if that's his name. Well, they have a Discord that is like super expensive. There was a car crash. Oops. Oh, how perfect. So I got this sticker. I would have rather have to go pay all this money for the freaking car renewal than to have this crash over here. See that? So I got this on my car. I live in a hood apartment complex. They put this in my car that I'll be towed. Okay, I was already gonna go get this done today because my son told me yesterday, but my plates expired all the way in July. So I thought it was really weird how he told me last night and then I get the sticker today, but it's been 2 months. Now I would much rather that than the car crash. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a zip trader. It's a zip, not zip trader. It's a, what do you call it? It's a rideshare type company, cab, and anyway, it crashed. Hopefully no one was in there, like passenger or whatever, and the guy's okay. Anyway, so yeah, I did, Alpha Stocks is doing a 7-day free for his Discord, and his Discord costs like $1,500 or something. So I'm supposed to be asleep, but I was up in his live stream. It started at 7:30 Central Standard Time, and they were looking at 2 or 3 pre-market runners. One of them was that AXAL, and they were talking, and I was like, I'm just gonna buy this. I bought all I had left in my baby account, so I bought 100 shares. I could barely buy 100 shares. I bought it at 34 cents, and this is the story of my freaking life. Thank you for the like. This is the story of my freaking life. I sold for 37 cents because I was like, if his group goes in, I think he has like thousands of people on his Discord. There was probably like 200 on the live. And I was like, if they go in, it's going to push up. Let me get in before them. Oh, Lord. Where's the police at? Hold on. I hate it when I don't know where there it is. Oh, no, an ambulance. Going to that crash that I just showed you guys. So I was like, I couldn't tell. I did learn from that little, probably 30 minutes I was on there with them. I was on there with them from about 7:30, I guess it was an hour, all the way to market open. Then they decided not to get in. So then I went back to sleep. I only slept 1 hour and 55 minutes, you guys. I am so sleep deprived. Like every day is like 2 or 3 hours. I don't even know what to do because it's 5:37 here in Kansas City, and I need to go. I need to leave for Amazon at 7:50. I have so much going on. It's so crazy. And I said way too much in my last live that's personal stuff. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to talk money. I'm going to talk stocks. Anything money related, I will. I do talk a little too much about personal stuff. That's just the person I am. I don't know why. I'm going to try not to do that because I wish I could rewind that. other one or delete it, but I'm not going to delete it because I want to get monetized on my channel. I need money. I don't care. But I love stocks. So this is something I'm enjoying regardless. And I know there's other people out there that, you know, could relate to things, life not going great. But I'm way different because I live with total gratitude. Like there could always be something worse. And I believe in God, the one creator of the earth, and just everything will be okay no matter what. So I want to be in a company when it's little and then it just goes high. I believe, I have not really researched. I listened to Teddy. I'm in his Discord. I don't even know. There might be one other person that I might have listened to. I listened to one call. I need to listen to the other calls. I like what they're doing. I think it'll save lives. The sepsis test, that's quicker. I believe in what the company's doing. So I don't think it's worth under $1. I don't think it's worth under $10. If you're saving a life, that's worth a lot of freaking money, what this company will do for healthcare and people and families around the world. So I don't know what's going to happen. I don't even care, you guys. I'm used to actually losing, but I refuse to give up and fail. I believe I'm going to reach my goals. So I'm out of the AXAL this morning before I went to sleep for my 2 hours. And then I just saw Alpha Stocks Trading just put up a video about it went up. So I said, oh, let me go look to see what it went up to. I think the high was 56 cents. And yes, I was in at 34, sold at 37. And the thing is with penny stocks, 34 cents, if you want a 10% gain, that's only 3.4 cents. So I don't even know, I can't even think of what the math is, but I would have been up a lot. I don't even care if I only had 100 shares. That's not the point. I'm going by percentage because I'm dealing with little money. I just have so much going on. I need to get one thing off of my plate at a time. I want to make this video because I want you guys to know, like, don't follow me, of course, because I barely have any money in the stock market. And I'm not taking this money out. I'm going to take money out of my Fidelity. So I'll talk about that. I'm only doing this live stream till I get home. Then I'm going to lay on my bed for like 5 minutes before I go cook and go to work because, golly, I need a mental, like, 5 minutes. Okay, so my Webull, I'm going to tell you about my, all of my apps and what I use them for, okay? So Webull's my trading account. That's what I'm trying to get to 25,000. I like Webull. Now, when I'm serious about trading, I will actually have a desktop set up with monitors and all that good stuff. That is not me. Where you could just click a smart key button and you made your trade. You're entering and your exit. That's not me right now. So I'm all mobile right now with my trading. But I'm going by percentage. I believe in compounding. Those gains every day could lead to big money, okay? I told you guys I've never made over 50,000 in a year working any jobs my whole life. I have had more than that at one time, but anyway, so Fidelity is where I have my 401k. That's by itself, even though I can see it when I log in. Then I have my personal, like, long-term stuff over there. I'm about to cash that out because I need to get a float, and I need to get this kid his car, and I need to get a float. I'm driving home now, so my 17-year-old could take my oldest one to work. We need 2 vehicles, and he deserves it. He's the most disciplined person I know. Like, he's going hard, trying to get straight A's, trying to get a college scholarship, either in basketball or track. And I made a video that he's gonna be in my videos sometimes because I gave him his first stock maybe a week ago, and it was AMC, but I only gave him $4 worth because Cash App allows you to give your children stocks and they can learn trading and stuff. So I made a little video, and I'm gonna make another one because I don't know if he sold his little dollar he had left after the reverse split or if he kept it, but it's a good learning experience. So I'm gonna teach him about that, God willing, or give him a video or something. I want my kids to not get to the situation I'm in. My mother was a single mother, a gym teacher, a coach, basketball, volleyball, tennis coach in New York City high schools, and she was like, you work, you go to school, you get your degree, and you go to work. I didn't do that. Anyway, I'm not even going to talk about that, but I'm business minded, I'm entrepreneur minded, I want to be a millionaire. You did the traditional way. So I didn't learn about trading stocks, financial stuff. I just learned about you go to school and get a job and stick with it and you'll be good for retirement. And she's pretty good on retirement now. Anyway, so Fidelity, I have some stuff. My best one in Fidelity is my Meta. My Meta, I bought it because I told you guys I'm Muslim and we're not supposed to, I don't even want to hear any kind of, if there's Muslims here or if there's rude people, I don't deal with rudeness in my life. You could say whatever. I don't even care right now, but I will delete some stuff, okay? But Meta, I looked up what companies, we're not really supposed to deal with interest, okay? So I looked up maybe a year or two ago what companies have the least debt. And I understand that TTOO has debt. I don't know. I feel like it's saving lives. I don't really have a problem with that. And that's me. I don't base my morals on anybody else's opinions or interpretations of things. I base mine on me and God alone. I don't care. Okay. I don't care what other people think about my morals because it's all about me. You know, it don't have nothing to do with anyone else. Okay. So yeah, so the top two companies that had the least debt was Facebook. It was Facebook back then, and GoPro. Those are the two. So I was like, okay, I like Facebook. I use it. I don't really use it anymore because I'm into the stock stuff. I use Webull and Discord more than I use any social media. So I did Meta, and it doubled my money. So I did Meta, I did Tesla because I feel like, you know, we're going to electric vehicles. My first stock ever was NEO. And that was because I was watching Stockmo and he was just super Neo. He was one of the first couple YouTubers I watched. AMC really did get me into learning about the stock market. If it wasn't for AMC, I would not know everything I know right now about the stock market and the evilness and, you know, all of this. Like, I feel like I'm way more educated in this than anyone I know. So I'm blessed with that. I think I've only lost like 10,000, 9,000, 8,000 in AMC. That's worth being in the stock market. And I believe I'm going to write down my rules, stick to them. I believe I'm going to get a winner. If it's TTOO or not, I don't know. I feel like I'm going to be in there. Let's see. Okay, so Fidelity's for long term, but I'm about to cash out that. Not my 401k, but I'm going to cash out my one that I built. It's only like $2,500, but that's a lot for me, because I don't make a lot of money. I have all these kids. They're older now. Thank God. It's so easy now. One of them works. One just got released from his brand new job that he loved. So yeah, we're with that. Let's see. So that's what I have Fidelity for, is long term. And then I have, so I don't even look at it. I don't even need the app or nothing. I don't even need to look at that. I need to set it up to have recurring money go into it. But I don't right now because I'm penny pinching at the moment. Trying to get his car, and then I want to get me a salon, because where I'm at I'm in a flea market and their hours are 10 to 8, and I'm a night owl and an early bird. I would open my shop at like 6 a.m., 7 a.m. and finish at like 9 p.m. My goal is to do like 10 people a day. Not continuously, but I charge 100. So basically my life would change. All I need is 20 people a week to make 100 grand. So as soon as I get his car, I gotta work on, oh, there's a place right here behind Quick Trip. We're like 5 minutes from my house. Right behind Quick Trip, there's a place that's been empty for 2 years. But the price is 5 times what I pay for my current shop. So I'm not ready for that risk yet. But as soon as I get his car, I'm laser focused on my shop. I need TTO. TTOO. I need it so bad. I don't need it. I want it. Yeah, so Robinhood I was using for options. I don't do options anymore because I'm not supposed to buy and sell things I don't really have. Anyway, that's another moral thing, you guys, okay? Just let me be more on my way, please. I know, because YouTube, I have other YouTube channels, and people always hate, so I might sound offensive sometimes, but I believe in making your own choices. We're all adults and not blaming anybody. I won't blame anyone for oh my gosh, I follow someone that's such a whiner blamer. I'll read the comments. I'm almost home. I follow people that are such whiners. I'm like, you are so jealous, but I still like them because you can relate to everybody. Like, there's someone on here you can relate to. I can relate to Teddy Zane because he's from New York. He's my age. I can relate to Ape Father. I don't care. He's the most relatable because I have food issues. And I believe in, I could do whatever on my channel and get make a YouTube career out of it or make good money on it. I don't know. I think I really, there's a lot of reasons why. I'm not saying I'm a big fan. I don't watch them much, but there's so much to relate. You can name any single YouTuber and I could find something I relate to. So I watch them. Even if I'm not Republican, but Teddy Zane loves Trump. I'm also not Democrat. I'm whatever's in the middle. I'm leaning more toward conservative. This is not stuff you talk about. I'm gonna talk about whatever I want. YouTube is your canvas to do as you want, so people don't have to watch. I'm not talking to you guys. I'm talking about the video I watch every day about the complainer, even though I love him too. He's down to earth. He used to be in a more financial place close to where I am, and he's kind of culturally knows the same things that I know. And I'm black and white, so I could just relate to everybody, okay? So Robinhood was options. Publix, I have my only little bit of AMC shares. I didn't even open the app. I'm over here trying to get all my apps with my passwords on this new iPhone. Oh my gosh. That's annoying because I don't know my passwords. So I don't know what's happening over there. I probably have pennies left with AMC. I don't even care. Like I said, it was worth it. I know I'm gonna read those comments in a second. I appreciate you guys listening to me. YouTube is so therapeutic. If you've ever thought of doing a YouTube channel, please do it. It's so good. I met so many people. It's just amazing. Like, even if you're not making money off of it, it's amazing. But if you're steady, consistent, and you're passionate about something, you will eventually make money. Okay, so Fidelity, what else do I have? Fidelity, Webull, Publix, Cash App. I have Cash App. That's where I bought my first stock. Cash App is so easy. 0 types of trades could be there. Now, what I have there only is my Kroger, because Kroger's like one of the best dividend stocks that I found. I don't know if it's a dividend king or dividend aristocrat. I'm going to do a lot of basics. What do you call it? Stock market basics. The people in my circle are not savvy when it comes to anything investing, trading, any of this. So I'm going to have some 101. How to buy an IPO. What is an IPO? What is an aristocrat? What is a dividend? I'm going to do a bunch of just basic stuff. Yeah, I have a micro account, but I know basic stuff. And really, I think my trading's okay. It's just I need to learn the stop loss, and I need to not be sleeping. That's the biggest problem, because I need to sleep like 6 to... I'm going to do a video, you guys, a short, just showing what sleep I had. I think I already did that, but then just add today. I had a client for tomorrow, but I said, I moved him to Thursday because Wednesday night is my Friday at Amazon. Yeah, I'm at the hood apartment, you guys. I work 7 days a week for 3 years since COVID, and I have not planned out my life or been strategic with what I'm doing to move out of these hood apartments. And that's not even in the top. That's probably going to be number 3 on the list, because the moment I get a shop that I can control my hours, it's over, because I know how to get clients. I don't even accept new clients like that. So I'm going to read the comments. I appreciate you guys watching everything. Don't listen to YouTubers, and take ownership of your own moves, okay? Steve Emmanuel, hopefully TTO comes through with some news. Yes. I am not counting on tomorrow or Friday. I don't know when it's going to come. I don't know what the CEO is doing, but I know for sure he's in his position for a reason. He knows his company. He has personal things with the company and family, issues with dying, with these different things. I'll just trust in him and what he's doing. I'm not trusting in him, but I'm sure he's capable and knows what he's doing. Probably better than the people that are making their predictions, okay? And saying what he should and shouldn't do. I'm pretty sure he's smart enough to know. I believe anything could happen with news, which could go up or down, because we have so many evil manipulators that are the dark pools, the shorting. I hate shorting. I wish you can't even short a medical company that has successful things. Like, that is pure evilness to me. I'm sorry, I got to talk about God again, because God is most just. I don't care what your God is. God is just, and what you do, you're going to get it back one way or another. So I'm okay with them, but I just pray that God gives them what they like they're stealing from us. They stole from us. So I don't know. Things could always go whichever way. And people are predicting prices and what it'll do. Nobody knows. Okay. Nobody knows but God, and that's it. Okay. Hi, Aikisha. I hope I said your name right. Jen says, hell, I'm holding my TTO until we get paid. So my plan, I'm going to get off in like 2 seconds. I hope you guys can hear me. Can you hear me clearly? Because even though this is almost over, thank you for the likes. My plan, the moment, first of all, tomorrow I don't have hair. I'm going to have a chunk of time. I should be able to learn stop loss. I know stop loss. I know how to do it. I just don't know how to stop it plus sell it at the same time. So hopefully tomorrow I find out, and I'm going to put it here because you guys probably know how, but new people that come here for basics won't know how, and that's going to be my first number one. I've lost 90% in stocks before. Like when I first started this, I didn't even know there was such thing as a stop loss, a trailing stop loss, a stop loss take profit. I didn't know none of that. I'm learning as I go, even though it's been like 2 or 3 years. And I'm going to tell my AMC story another time too, because I didn't buy because of why anyone else bought. I bought because I used to like going to the movies. I used to have the pass where you could see 3 movies a week. I live, my Amazon job that I make my little shorts from is about probably 20 minutes to AMC headquarters. I like to buy local. I like to support certain types of business before I go to the big giant companies, or, you know, they're bringing their dollars to us. Like I live in the hood apartment, but outside of my hood apartment is upscale. So our property tax, I just went and paid my property tax. Because they put this note on my door, on my way. And that property tax is going to my children's amazing education. I have one about to graduate. I have 2 that already graduated. And then I have my little one left. He's a sophomore. So it's important to support a local business because it's helping your community. Okay. Sorry, I meant to say hello. Oh, okay. I thought you were just passionate about your holding your stock. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. And share with me what you're doing with your TTO. If you was in AXAL, and you could do that after I like this uploads. And have a good day. Good night.